Whenever we pass through any school, we usually find a traffic signal board. That signal board is installed only to tell the passing traffic that there is a school ahead and not to drive rashly. So this question pertains to that traffic signal board. Now we will see question. What is question? Question is a traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? In this picture, you can see that this is the equilateral triangle in which all the sides are equal. We may tell you that equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides of the triangle are equal. Further, all the angles which are formed inside these sides are also equal, and each angle is 60-degree angle. So here in this question, it is given that an equilateral triangle is with side A. It means that when all the sides are equal, we can easily presume that each side is of a centimeter. So here we are to solve this question with the help of Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? As per Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? First, we will understand what is perimeter. Perimeter is the total length of all the sides of the triangle. This is the boundary of the triangle. And when we total the length of all the three sides of the triangle, it is called perimeter. Now, how we calculate the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is half of perimeter, or we can also say that perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, where A is length of side A, B is length of side B, C is length of side C. Which side is A, which is B, which is C? Any side we can take as A side, any other side can be taken as B, or any other side can be taken as C. This is only for the purpose of our solving the question. In this question, all the sides are equal. So there is no question that which side is to be chosen. All the sides are equal. Let us presume that let each side of triangle is equal to a centimeter. So now what is the perimeter? That is the total length of all the sides. All the three sides are A, B, C. We can also write it that A plus A plus A. This is the length of the each side. So it will come as perimeter will come 3A centimeter. So what is the semi-perimeter? semi perimeter is 3a divided by 2 centimeter. So here from the question we can understand that perimeter is given 180 centimeter. So we can also say that when perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter, then semi perimeter is 180 divided by 2, then it is 90 centimeter. This is semi perimeter, 90 centimeter. Now what is the value of A? We understand that P is equal to 180 centimeter is equal to 3A centimeter. Now what is the value of A? It will become 180 divided by 60. 180 divided by 3. Then it will come 60 centimeter. Value of A is also has been come to our knowledge. So here we will now fill the value of A, B, C. What will be the value of A? It will be 60. Value of B, it will be also 60. Value of C will be also 60, because all the values of all the sides, length of all the sides is equal. So using the Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So here we will fill the values. What was the value of semi perimeter? It is 90 centimeter into 90 minus 60. It is the value of A. Then again semi perimeter. Then again value of B. It is also the same value of A, that is 60. Then again S minus C, 90 minus 60, because all the three sides are equal. Now what will be here? Under root 90 into 30. Here it will come 30. Here it will also be as 30. So under root we can also write 90 as 30 into 3. Then all these items will be written again 30 into 30 into 30. We can also, we will find that these are two pairs of 30. Then again these are two pairs of 30. We can write it as 30 square, these two 30 square, then these two into 30 square. What is left behind? This is 3 only. So these two 30 into 30 will come out and 3 will remain inside. 900 under root 3. This is the answer before us. This is the area of triangle, and this is the area of equilateral triangle, 900 under root 3 centimeter square. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.